This meditation is designed to create a profound shift in consciousness, bringing deep peace, forgiveness, and renewal. It will help you relax deeply and experience the grace of God in a transformative way. In a moment, I'd like you to close your eyes and begin to settle into the space. That's right. Just take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your body to relax completely, knowing that you are exactly where you need to be right now. Very good. Let's begin. Take another calming breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body start to let go of any tension. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into this moment. You are safe here. You are held by divine love. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel your feet rooted to the ground beneath you. Notice how the earth is supporting you, gently holding you. With each inhale, feel yourself drawing in peace. With each exhale, allow your body and mind to release any worries or distractions. Let them drift away like clouds passing in the sky. In a moment, I'd like you to imagine yourself completely in the here and now, as if nothing outside of this moment exists. That's it. Allow yourself to be fully present here, now. You can say to yourself, I am present in this moment, deeply relaxed, completely at peace. Now I want you to imagine, just for a moment, that you are holding a ball of fire in your hands. This fire represents all the pain or suffering you have been carrying. Any sense of injustice or hurt. Just notice it without judgment, knowing that it is time to let it go. I'd like you to take a deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine releasing this ball of fire, watching it flow away, far, far away. That's right. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders as the pain and suffering dissolve into the air. You can say to yourself, I release all pain, suffering, and injustice. It no longer has power over me. That's right. Let it go. And as you do, feel a growing sense of lightness and relief. Now I'd like you to think about any resentment or old stories you've been holding on to. Perhaps these are memories of times you have been hurt, or moments of anger or frustration. And just for a moment, I'd like you to see these stories as old books on a shelf. You have read them many times, but now it's time to let them go. I'd like you to imagine closing these books one by one, gently placing them back on the shelf. That's right. Just let each book go. No need to read them anymore. You are free to let the past stay in the past. Imagine the shelf becoming empty. And with each book you set down, feel yourself becoming lighter and lighter. You can say to yourself, I let go of the past. I am free from old stories and resentment. And notice how much space is now available within you. Space for peace, space for joy, and space for love. In a moment, I would like you to imagine a warm, gentle light shining down from above. This is the grace of God, a beautiful healing light. Feel it begin to wash over you. From the top of your head, gently flowing down to your shoulders, your chest, your arms, and all the way down to your feet. That's right. Just feel that grace now. And as this light flows over you, it cleanses you, washing away all the pain, the sorrow, and the struggle. Feel it dissolving everything that no longer serves you. And say to yourself, God's grace is washing away my pain and sorrow. I am cleansed and made whole. Let this light fill every part of your being. You are safe. You are healed. You are held in the arms of love. Now I want you to imagine being gently lifted by this light, as though divine hands are cradling you, lifting you up into the presence of Christ. Feel yourself being raised higher and higher into the space of perfect peace and love. You are weightless, carried effortlessly by the love of Christ. That's right. Feel the presence of God shining over you, through you, and within you. There is no need to do anything. Just allow yourself to be held in this beautiful, loving presence. Say to yourself, I am lifted in Christ. All I feel is the presence of God shining over me. And just rest here for a moment, knowing you are deeply loved and protected. Now I'd like you to turn your attention to forgiveness. Begin by focusing on yourself. Think of any times you may have rejected or judged yourself. Imagine that you are holding those feelings in your hands. And just as easily as you would drop a pebble into a pond, let them go. Watch them ripple away. That's right. And say to yourself, I forgive myself for all the ways I have rejected or judged myself. I am free now. And feel the relief of this release. You are whole. You are worthy of love. Now think of anyone or situation in your life you may need to forgive. Picture them in front of you, surrounded by the same loving light. And say to yourself, I forgive myself for inviting these people and experiences into my life, for they have mirrored back to me the unhealed parts of my own mind, my feelings of separation and unworthiness. I now see them as a reflection of what needs to be healed within me. Through this forgiveness, I release the illusion of separation and return to the truth of my wholeness. I am free to extend love both to myself and to them, as we are all one in the divine. You are free to let go of any resentment, any hurt now. Simply allow forgiveness to flow from your heart towards them. And say to them, I forgive you for any pain you have caused me. I release you into the grace of God. As you forgive, feel the space inside you opening up. You are no longer held down by the weight of these grievances. You are free. Now, in this state of peace and release, simply surrender everything to God. That's right. There's no need to hold on to anything. No need for understanding. No need for justification. You are free to rest in the loving presence of God. Say to yourself, I surrender everything to you, God. I rest in your presence. And feel the deep peace that comes with this surrender. You are completely taken care of in God's love. Everything is as it should be. In a moment, imagine yourself completely surrounded by the divine light again. Every part of your being is now filled with peace, with love, and with grace. Your heart is cleansed. Your mind is clear. and your spirit is renewed. The atonement has taken place. You are at one-ment with God. Say quietly to yourself, I am at peace. I am renewed. I am filled with God's love. And take a few deep breaths, feeling the energy of this renewal spreading through every cell of your body. You are whole. You are loved. You are exactly as you were created to be. And when you're ready, slowly bringing your awareness back to this moment. Gently open your eyes, feeling completely at peace, fully present and renewed in God's love.